welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a very easy coaster, and we're going to be using this natural jute rope. I found this one at Hobby Lobby and it's only here in the US $3.49 for 525 feet, so it will really last you a long time. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be using a 6mm hook, some scissors, and a needle to finish it off. So we want to start with a magic ring. So the way I do is I wrap the string in my needle, and then you have a little crossover, and then you're gonna grab some yarn and pull it through, and grab some yarn again and pull it through. And so now you have the circle secure. You're gonna go into the same loop, pull it through, wrap, and pull it through too. So that gives you your very first stitch. And we're gonna make a total of 8 stitches in the magic ring. So I pull through 2. That's 2, 3. So let me get closer. I'm gonna pull through the ring, grab some yarn, pull through. You have 2 loops, wrap, and pull through 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do 4 more. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now that you have 8, you're gonna go into that first stitch and pull through all the way. So you're gonna create a slip stitch, and now you have your circle of 8. And you can pull down the middle, pull the string so that you close the circle nice and tight. So now we're gonna do 2 single crochets in each of the 8 stitches. So you're gonna have a total of 16. So you're gonna chain 1, and you're gonna make 2 single crochets in this first stitch, and you're gonna do the same thing all around. Another 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Okay, so continue and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so now we have a total of 16 stitches all around. For the next round, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat that all around. So it's 1 single crochet in one stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So let me show you the first few. So in the first stitch it's just 1, and with the jute rope sometimes you get little things like that, but you can just pull them out. 1 single crochet, and then in the next stitch we're going to do 2 single crochets. So we're going to do 1, 2. So the next one is just one single crochet, and then in the next one, two of them. 1, 2. So go ahead and repeat that all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, we're at the end of the circle. You should have a total of 24 stitches all around, and we're going to slip stitch in the first chain like so, and now we have our third row. The last row, we're going to the next row we're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and we're going to do 2 single crochets in the third stitch, and we're going to repeat that all around. So we're going to chain 1, single crochet in the first one, single crochet in the second one, and then we're going to do 2 single crochets in the third one. Okay, and we're going to repeat it again. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. 1, 2. So repeat that all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end again. Okay, I'm at the end, and I'm going to slip stitch, and as you can see, is staying nice and flat because we have a pattern going. So if you notice, in the second row we added 2 single crochets in each stitch, and then in the third row it was a single crochet and then 2 single crochets, and then in the next one it was 2 single crochets by themselves and then 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. This is how big I want my coaster, so my last row is just gonna be single crochets all around without adding anything. So let's go ahead and do that. Just single crochets all around. So this last row we're not going to increase, but because we've been adding, it should stay nice and flat and give it a smooth edge. These are great to use outdoors for summer, to add to a gift basket, and they're very durable and easy to make, easy to replace if one gets lost or gets damaged. But you can see how smooth the edge is turning out because we're not adding any more increases. We're just making it evenly rounded. Okay, we're here at the end, and now we're going to slip stitch. And as you can see, you have a very pretty rounded coaster. Let's finish it up. We're going to cut it now. Pull the yarn out. You need a really big needle for this. Once you sew it through, it's pretty good. It'll stay put. So just finishing up the string here. Cut the end. And then I also like to secure the beginning string just a few times so that It's nice and safe. And because I'm using jute rope, it has, you know, so it throws its length sometimes, but for outdoors it's perfect. And make as many as you want, and you have very lovely coaster. So here you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you as best as I can, and I will see you in my next video.